Hi, my name is Dom, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about PrimeShred. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about PrimeShred is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left the official website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of PrimeShred was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also, check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, PrimeShred is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are taking medication or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is PrimeShred, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. PrimeShred is the ultimate pre-workout supplement that will give you the energy and focus you need to crush your workouts. With its powerful combination of ingredients, PrimeShred will help you boost your metabolism, burn fat, and build lean muscle like never before. PrimeShred also includes ingredients that will enhance your mental clarity and focus, making it the perfect supplement for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts alike. And best of all, PrimeShred is completely safe and free from harmful side effects. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, PrimeShred has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as cayenne pepper, caffeine, green tea extract, and many others natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for PrimeShred to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with PrimeShred, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your expectations. Guarantee. Click on the link below to know more about the return policy. You can actually test PrimeShred for 100 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the PrimeShred platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy PrimeShred from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that PrimeShred actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of PrimeShred for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.